welcome back to Jazzy61. So today I'm going to be doing my grocery hauls. This is just the Walmart stuff. I haven't even got to Sam's yet. My husband's going to order that stuff. He also ordered some stuff online, so it'll be coming in today or tomorrow. Got a pimple. So that's why I'm sweaty. I had to unload the car, and it's quite a bit. I'll show you all paying around so you guys can see my island and all this other stuff over here. So I'm going to get into this stuff here in a second. I'm going to unpack everything, and then I'll show you guys what we got. As usual, we're going to start here on the floor, and then I'll get to the stuff on the island here in a second. I'm not going to pretend like I haven't been trying to stock up on the things that we have been missing, you guys, because as you guys know, this pandemic is getting worse, and they always run out of the stuff that we normally buy. They already started running out of stuff because it's really bad where I live or around where I live. So we're running out of things already. So I went ahead and got some of the stuff, the essentials that we normally have, like our waters. I got 3 cases of our water. We usually go through about 2.5 anyway. So I got 3 of those for us, the big ones, and then I got 3 little ones. Those are the ones my son drinks. They go in his sippy cups perfectly. Then we got the paper towels and toilet paper, you guys. The one I normally get, or the Bounty I really like to get now, is that one on the top. But they sold out. So we got the Bounty Essentials, which I think they're a little bit thinner, but it's okay. The Ultra Strong as well, which is also okay. And then we got some more Angel Soft toilet paper. We normally get the big one from Sam's, but they have not had it back in stock since everything started to happen. So the Angel Soft is kind of the next thing for us. So we got Angel Soft, some tissue, and we got the 2 jugs. They're 2-gallon jugs of the baby waters for our little one. Hey guys, so now we're going to go on and move to the island here. They were out of the syrup that we normally get as well, so it's not here. And there was a couple of other things. I'll let you guys know what those are in a minute. Excuse Sid the Science Kid in the background. My son is watching it. I'm going to start on this side and work my way over that way. So the first thing you see over here are these strawberries. They are not all bad. I guess I have to go in extra early in the morning in order to get the strawberries that are decent, I guess. So I got strawberries, a bag of onion, a bushel of bananas. Here are these are the the beef brisket burgers, you guys. I actually liked them when we got them last time, so I got some more. Underneath there are some really thin steaks. I'm going to use that for something different other than just making little thin steaks. I got some corn here, and then these are green beans. These 6 containers here are the mild diced tomatoes and chili. As I said, I like these better than the actual Rotel right now because the Rotel seems to be extremely slimy, but they keep running out of these too. So I ordered 6 of them this time. I got some tuna and I think it's water. Yes, tuna and water. Some tomato paste. There it is. 2 little things of the Velveeta blocks. I tend to eat it by myself most of the time, so the little blocks are a lot better than the bigger ones right now. Then here is some heavy whipping cream. Oh, I got 2 of those, by the way. They keep running out of those as well. I got my son his yogurt. Y'all look, my sink is almost clean today. It's because I did the dishes, but there's always something in there some kind of way. Anywho, my son's organic yogurt. This is the one that he eats. The one at the bottom is a little bit different, but I think it's the same brand, so it should be just fine. I got 3 of those because he eats one of those most every day, 1 or 2 of them. So I want to make sure he doesn't run out of those. Some Gushers. These are for me. I'm not going to pretend. Those are mine. I got our butter. They run out of this a lot. So I got 2 of these. They're only like 98 cents. So I went ahead and got 2. I got us some turkey breast for our sandwiches. One's oven roasted. One is mesquite smoked. And then these are the yogurts that I like. The Chobani Flip with the strawberry cheesecake flavor. I actually really like them. So I got 4 of these. I probably have to go back and get more. We'll just have to see how it goes. Some natural peanut butter. That's for something as well. Some mayo. We just ran out, or we're almost out, I believe. So I went ahead and got some more of it. Our cheeses, of course. This is the provolone for my sandwiches. This is mozzarella. And this is the mixed blend. Here is our bread. We actually really like the Pepperidge Farm bread, you guys. So I'm going to keep buying this for now for our sandwiches. I got 2 loaves of it because we go through it really quickly. We ran out about 3 days ago, 3-4 days ago. So I got 2 things of it. Some more tortilla shells. I'm going to make either fajitas or my tacos this week, as well as some hamburger buns bits for those brisket burgers over there. I got us 2 more packs of the chicken noodles, you guys. The last time the pandemic spiked like it is right now, we could not find these noodles anywhere. They sold out everywhere so fast. So I got us 2 more of these. Back here, I have our French fries. You know, I like the seasoned French fries. We got some more of the Star Bars, the Blue Ribbon Star Bars. These are the Bomb Pops. I have to get more because my son eats them all too now. So, yeah, it's a family thing now. And then these, I just saw these, wanted to try them. I don't know how they taste. Let me know if you tasted these and you like them down in the comments below, guys. But I really thought that these may be good, so I went ahead and got some of these Choco Tacos. We're going to see what this does, but they may be decent. I just want to try them. Moving on, I got some sliced mushrooms. You guys don't like it in my pizzas, on my sauces. I could put mushrooms in anything if it allows. If the food tastes good, I'll do it. Some more romaine lettuce. Ours is bad, I think. We ate most of it, but the rest of it's gone bad. So I got 2 more. The V8 Splash Tropical Blend Juice for me and my little man. A thing of Simply Orange juice, the pulp-free version. And this is just a gallon of whole milk. As I said, my son eats it in his oatmeal, and we eat it in our cereal. You see the big bag of cereal back there? I had to get some more. We had to replace when we ate all of it. Here are my seasonings, you guys, because the last time it spiked like it did, you guys, I couldn't buy any seasonings. I was using just salt and a little pepper and what I could find in my cabinets. So I got the stuff that I'm running low on. That's parsley, some sea salt, oregano, garlic, and onion powder. Then I got some Butter Lovers popcorn. I've been really wanting popcorn lately when I watch my movies. I guess I'm missing going to the movies with my husband right now. So I got some popcorn for us to have for movie day or movie night, whichever it is. 2 bags of the Cantina Thin on the Border tortilla chips. I like these better than most other chips anyway, so I'm glad I found them. A big bag of the Tutti Fruttis. They're like Fruit Loops. Ugh. I know that seems like a really big bag, but you guys, my son and I eat through it really quickly. We eat it dry, we eat it with milk, we just eat it. Some more Special K protein shakes for me in the mornings, you guys. I actually like these because I don't know, they kind of make you feel full, but you feel good. It gives you like a boost of energy and everything. I love those. So I got 2 more of those. And then over here to finish off the food are the 2 DiGiorno hand-tossed pizzas. I like these. I like them better than a lot of the pizza that you order. Of course, I jazzed it up a little bit with my own stuff, but I actually just like them. They taste really good. And then over here is the stuff that is not food that I had to get. I got myself some ginger root. I take it every single day, you guys. I'm not kidding. Every day. When I don't take it, my body doesn't feel right. I'm going to start taking this super vitamin B complex here. It has a slew of good things that go well with your health. So I'm going to try these out as well. Well, not try them out because there's 500 of these in here. I'm taking these bad boys. Yeah. Okay, some jumbo cotton balls. I clean my face after I work out during the day because I have really oily skin. So I use these when I do my witch hazel or my astringent, and I ran low on those. Some Febreze with Downy Unstoppable scent boosters in it, just for all of our furniture because everything is really fabricy, including our dining room chairs, and they can take on the scent of whatever food I cook. So I'm going to use these on that and see how it goes. 3 more packs of these little trash bags. These are for not just poopy diapers, but picking up the poops as well, what my dog makes in our yard. The Cascade Platinum Power Pods. I was trying to get the big container like I currently have, but they sold out. So I got 2 little bags. I'm just going to try to refill the big one with the little splashers from Pampers. They're little swimming diapers for my son because I got him a little kiddie pool. And to finish everything off, I got some stainless steel wipes for our fridge. It always comes out streaky and stuff gets stuck to it. So I figured I would try these out and see how they do. As I said, we do have to get an order from Sam's as well as some stuff that we ordered online from Sam's. It's also coming in within the next day or so. So I'll show you guys all of that as well. I just want to make sure I showed you guys the stuff that we had before I get it put away. So I'll come back when we get the stuff from all the other places. Okay guys, my husband did an order from samsclub.com and here is the stuff that we got from there. We got 3 cases of the Tropicana apple juice. You guys know this is like my favorite. I love these. They don't sell them in store here, so we got them online. 2 big things of the hefty trash bags. A thing of their fruit snacks that they eat, him and my son. peanut butter crackers. My little one goes to these peanut butter crackers like it's nothing. He loves these as well. 2 things of the powder milk that my son likes. My husband got him hooked on. That's the kind my husband drank when he was a kid. It's the Nido. I'm not expecting to be otherwise. And a bunch of Ritz crackers. Okay guys, so here is the last of what we got grocery wise. I'll tell you why here in a moment. I got more bananas. I know you guys saw some from the other day, but my son, I think he's going through a growth spurt again. He came in from outside the other day and he just demolished 3 bananas by himself. Yeah, my 1-year-old ate 3 bananas, 3 whole bananas, and was still hungry. So him and my husband pretty much ate up all those bananas I got the other day. I think we have 1. We have none. He ate that one too. All right, so I got 2 more bushels of bananas. Here is some sunscreen for me and my husband. I know that seems weird, but we outside a lot and it's been over 100 degrees this week here. So we got sunscreen for us as well as some sensitive sunscreen for our little man. He needed some as well, especially being in the pool and things like that. We wanted to make sure that he was okay out there in the sun. My husband wanted some off because once the sun does go down, the mosquitoes and other bugs come out. So I got us some off. Here's just like a bushel of bananas there, guys. And my son has taken a genuine interest in Kool-Aid. I made some the other day and he has been drinking it. Which you guys know, he doesn't drink much of anything outside of water and maybe milk. So he likes orange juice now. He's drinking a little bit of apple juice. He likes my husband's V8 as well as mine. And he likes this Kool-Aid. So I got some more of it. This is the flavor that he was drinking the other day. They only allow you to get 3, so I got a big one as well as the 3 little ones. Which, you know, it's funny to me, they only let you get 3. But when you get a substitution, because these are substitutions, they give you 6. They substitute everything with that 1. So how come they couldn't just give me more of these? I got different flavors. I got tropical punch and a watermelon. That's so cliche. But they switched it with charcoalberry, which is okay because charcoalberry is actually really good. I just wanted to start my son off with basic flavors. That way, if he didn't like them, you know, it'd be okay. We can just get the ones that he likes. The reason why we didn't get more is because we still have a lot of our produce from last time, and it hasn't gone bad. It's still really firm. So that's why we didn't buy a whole lot of produce. We did get some dog food for our dog. They had the kind he normally gets, so we went ahead and got 2 of those of the wet dog food from Purina, the little bitty small breed cans, because they've only had the really big ones lately, or the ones that he doesn't eat. And as I said, it's been giving him smelly ass. I didn't want to get those anymore. I'm not with it. So I got everything that we needed already, aside from that. So that's everything we got. We didn't need to get more. We don't want to overdo it, and then just have stuff sitting in our fridge. It's gonna go bad. So that's why we got a little bit that we got. We already have a lot of produce in our refrigerator and we're good on that. So thank you guys so much for watching another one of my grocery hauls. Now I look rough right now, guys. I'm about to fix that. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye, guys.